Welcome everyone. Today we're gonna discuss the difference between Mang Tomas and UFC Banana Ketchup.
Cut! Bro, your script is wrong. Three, two, one, action!
Welcome everyone. Today we're gonna discuss the difference between informational system and transactional system.
Transactional system manage day-to-day business. These systems are designed for speed and efficiency, handling tasks like sales orders, banking transactions, and retail checkouts in real time.
Bating.
Roy. So, informational system focus on data analysis. They aggregated data from various sources, enabling complex queries and generating insight for decision making. Examples include data warehouse and business intelligence tools.
Key differences. Transactional systems prioritize real-time processing data integrity with highly normalized data structure. They support quick insert, update, and delete, essential for operational efficiency.
So, in contrast, informational systems are optimized for analyzing large data sets. They often use denormalized structure to speed up queries, helping managers and analysts to make informed decisions.
Transactional system update instantly with each transaction. For example, when you buy a coffee, the system processes your purchase and updates the inventory immediately.
Informational system updates periodically, oftenly batch process like nightly or weekly. Think of the annual sales report that aggregated data across all stores to provide strategic insights.
Hey, baby!
Both systems are crucial. Transactional systems keeps day-to-day operation running smoothly, while the informational systems support strategic planning and long-term decision making.
Understanding these systems helps in effective data management. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.